Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Let's make some Jamaican style Sunday dinner.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So for dinner today, we're going to be making some stew beef with rice and peas and salad. Now the part of the beef that I'm using is the shank. I think some people may call it the shin, but this bit is a really nice piece of meat, part of the meat that you can use when you're making stews. It's just not chewy, it's just really nice, but it does come with a lot of work, so you can either get your butcher to do it, but where I went is literally just pick up and go thing. So we have to clean it up and remove all of the fat. Well, try and remove most of the fat. You're not going to get everything off, just remove as much as you can. Now this piece of meat, it has got like a layer on top, so once you try to peel it back a bit, you literally can just pull it off. It's that easy. After I've removed all the fat, I'm going to go ahead and dice the meat up. I'm going to do it in like just a little bit bigger than bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to give it a good wash and get ready for seasoning. Now I didn't cook all of this in one batch. I think I can get about 3 nights dinner out of this, depending on how much people you're feeding. But so I just took out what I wanted and then just put the rest in the freezer. So what I'm going to use to season this is my complete seasoning, my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to go in with my aromat all-purpose seasoning, a bit of cayenne pepper. I'm going to add a browning for color, garlic granules, and some smoked paprika. Also got an onion, some garlic, thyme and scallion. Now you can use any seasoning that you have, any little all-purpose seasoning or your favorite seasoning. It doesn't have to be specifically what I use, just whatever all-purpose seasoning you have, just go ahead and do. Now once you've done that, just give it a good mix. Now my advice would be to let this marinate overnight, 24 hours for best results. Now when I'm ready to cook now, I'm going to start by first, we're going to set on the peas now. So the thing already, pressure cooker with some onions, pimento seeds in the pressure cooker. Just let it do its thing. Now whilst that's pressuring, I'm going to start on my meat. Now to a pan with a little bit of oil, I'm just going to go in and try to sear off the meat. Once it's seared, I'm literally going to cover it and just let it start to spring its own juices. After that, I'm going to go in with the same bowl that I had it seasoned in. I'm going to add some hot water and then I'm going to put it, throw it on the meat, cover it and just let it simmer. Now I think this took roughly about 2 hours to completely cook and finish, because I do like when my meat is just so soft and tender and just full of goodness, full of niceness, the whole thing. Now in here I have some mixed bell peppers, onions, scallion, garlic, ginger, tomato, thyme, the whole shebang. You know how we do it around here when we're making stews, just a good mixture of stuff in the pot. Now I put this in the pot and the meat maybe about 45 minutes before finish cooking. Now once my peas is finished, I'm going to transfer it to a pot that I'm gonna an oven proof dish pot, because I'm gonna put this in the oven. As well, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, ginger in with the peas, coconut milk. Once the water is reduced, I'm gonna cover it with some foil paper, the lid. Just let it go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now you want it on a medium to low heat in the oven, not too low but not quite at medium. Now throughout, you just want to continuously check your meat, make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot, give it a good stir, make sure the water is not dried out too quickly. Now about 20 minutes before the end of it, I'm going to go in with my carrots and also some diced potatoes. Now just check on your meat. Once it's cooked, you can go ahead and just turn that off and just let it sit and rest. Now after about half an hour as well, rice should be ready. What I do, I just like to go in and remove, or look, scallion, thyme, ginger, all of that good stuff. Just take it out because we did only put it in to flavor the pot. And rice ready. Look pan rice, look pan good girl rice. Rice just nice and shelly like me. Whoa. Don't mind me, I'm always crazy around here. Guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, wait fun, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. New returning subscribers, big up on yourself all the time. Now I'm just going to serve this up with a little salad and some avocado, and there you have it, my Sunday dinner ready. Rice and peas, stewed beef with a salad, and the whole shebang ready. Nice, you know how the thing goes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.